Need an official bank statement for a loan, a visa, or just for your records? If finding and downloading it feels like a chore, you're not alone. Today, we're locating the PDF download feature in Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile, once and for all. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Your bank statement is always available in the app, but exporting it as a formal PDF is the key for most official uses. The treasure hunt, it's in Archivio Documenti. Don't look just in your account movements. Head straight to the main menu and find Archivio Documenti or Document Archive. Here, you'll find your periodic account statements, neatly organized by month. The final step, export and share. Select the statement period you need. The app will give you the option to view it. Once open, look for the classic share or download icon. Tapping it will let you save a perfect PDF to your device or send it directly via email. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: the PDF from the archive is the official one. Screenshots of your balance are handy, but for official purposes, institutions always require the actual PDF statement generated by the bank from this specific section. So, just like that, you're equipped to provide proof of your finances anytime, anywhere. A little know-how goes a long way in being prepared. Now I'm curious, what's the most interesting reason you've ever needed a bank statement for? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.